Welcome back to Halftime Report on CNBC-TV18. As of now, the Nifty has moved up a few points, right, from the day's lowest point. Also, we're seeing a recovery coming in, holding on to gains of almost 0.2%, 50-60 points up, day's highest point. But what are we watching out for now in the world of FNO? Mangalam is joining in with us for that. Mangalam.
Well, moments ago, the market was consolidating, flitting between red and green for the Nifty as well as the sensex. But we had pointed out that the possibility of it moving higher is high, and that's exactly what's taken place. Right now, the Nifty is at the high point of trade. And the reason for that is pretty simple. The Nifty Bank, which was underperforming, has now become the top contributor. So the Nifty Bank is doing extremely well. And for the third straight session, we have the mid-caps, which are outperforming. So the mid-cap index doing well. We have nearly 2,000 stocks which are advancing versus the number of stocks which are declining. But more importantly, even as the market was consolidating, volatility index was cooling off, telling you that there has been put writing activity which has taken place. And the street believes that maybe the market has been forming a base, especially after the sharp bout of decline that we saw in the last hour of trade yesterday. Metals, they're picking pace as well. Now, the street believes that there could be some relief coming in from the Fed when it comes to rate cuts. Sometime during this month, we have the Fed meeting. So every time there is a US rate cut, we have a concomitant positive impact that we see in terms of the prices of commodities. And that's what we've seen in that's what the expectations are building up for some of these ferrous names as well. Now, as the Nifty is moved higher, let's look at a couple of important levels we need to cross and close above on the Nifty. It'll be the 20-day moving average and the 100-day moving average. Both these levels, the Nifty crossed yesterday but failed to close above. So today, that will be extremely crucial. And the Nifty Bank has taken support at the 200-day moving average itself. The levels that are important on the Nifty, 24,600 call writers, fairly active in today's trading session. The premium that they have is 155, telling you around 24,750, we may see some sort of resistance. 24,600 put writers equally active, telling you that around 24,550 to 24,450, we will see strong support. So between 24,450 to 24,550 is the support. 24,750 is where the next leg of resistance comes in if we go ahead and cross and conquer the 20 and the 100-day moving averages. A couple of stocks on our radar. Piramal Pharma has been doing very well since morning and fairly well bid from an open interest standpoint as well. So a lot of long positions added on that counter. And RBL Bank may enter FNO ban today. Remember, over the last few trading sessions, we've been seeing OI build up on that stock. Now it's very close. In fact, has crossed the threshold of that 95% of market-wide position limits as well. When it does cross that and close above that, the stock goes into FNO ban. So the first stock of the September series to be in FNO ban would perhaps be RBL Bank.
Okay, all right, Mangalam. Thanks very much for that. Just look at a couple of these stocks move. E2E Networks is now locked in upper circuit after bagging a deal worth around 177 crores. Separately, we have NetWeb also, which is now up around close to 10% at this point in time. So the market seems to be really rewarding companies which are forging ahead when it comes to, say, revenues or in terms of order wins. So that seems to be the theme which is really playing out at this point in time. Moil also at the high point of the day, up around 5% for that particular counter. We'll take a short break on that note, but we'll connect with the management of Open Company as they receive the SEBI nod for their IPO. Stay tuned.